The Derek Zoolander Center for Kids Who Can't Read Good.
What is this?
A center for ants? What?
How can we be expected to teach children to learn how to read if they can't even fit inside the building?
Derek, it's just a
I don't want to hear your excuses! The center has to be at least 3 times bigger than this.
He's absolutely right.
Thank you. I have a vision.
And so do
Alright, so that was just a goofy example of a model in science we're going to look at today. There's actually 3 types of models, and we're going to talk about that first type of model. These are just ways we can test a hypothesis or communicate data in science. A model is any representation of an object or event that's too big or too fast for us to see, and it's used as a tool for understanding the real world. Obviously, to showcase this idea for a school, it wouldn't be a good idea to construct the entire school. That's why, which is what Zoolander didn't understand. That's why they made this small model, to show him the idea of the school before it was built. So what other types of models can you think of? If you want to jot some down. The type of model described there, any model you can touch and see, like the solar system model here, is called a physical model. Computer models, such as this Doppler radar model describing the cloud formations around the Pittsburgh area, are built using software. Finally, idea models. For instance, Einstein had thought about the idea of relativity. No one's ever traveled at the speed of light, but Einstein was able to mathematically show ideas of what would happen when you're traveling at the speed of light. These describe how somebody thinks about something. And as you can see, this mathematical equation is a model of how energy and mass are related. Models can communicate ideas, such as the school you saw. They can test predictions, like this dummy. You can test to see what would happen in a car crash, and because of that, they can be used to save time, money, and lives. Models do have limitations, though. Scientists were able to model the solar system, unlike what we have today. Before, a lot of scientists believed that the Earth was the center of the universe, and they matched the data to create a model with the Earth as the center and everything revolving around it. This led to some pretty crazy ideas until Copernicus came along and made this model of the solar system, which you see. But as you can see, he gave all the planets perfectly circular orbits, which still isn't quite true. Models have their limitations where sometimes maybe they aren't 100% accurate, but they can always be changed. They also have limitations. If you think about that dummy, the dummy doesn't have fully human flesh or fully human reaction times. They can only model it so well before it becomes the actual thing. Just like modeling the cell or modeling the solar system isn't 100% accurate, but it's the best job we can do with what we have. So just some review questions I'd like you to give a shot at, and you can pause these if you need to. How are models used in science? What are the advantages of the three types of models? What kind of model would you use to describe how far it is from Pennsylvania to North Dakota?